My name is Yeti and I go to preschool in Southfield. My teachers put some messages in my brain and they make me smart. They teach me how to write stuff. I could count to 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. My brain makes me really smart. I love my friends at Southfield. I have a music class because I love music and I love dancing too. Dancing makes me impress myself. I want to be everything when I grow up. I'm going to have so much fun when I'm 5. The favorite thing to do at Southfield is to play outside. My mommy and daddy bring me to Southfield School every day and I like